Why is hydrofacial one of the most popular and most searched treatments on Google these days? Well, if you've been wondering what is hydrofacial, thinking about getting it done but just don't have enough information, then this is the video that you need to watch. Watch it till the end because I'll be clearing all your doubts about hydrofacial in this. Hi, I'm Dr. Nupur Jain. I'm a consultant dermatologist at SkinZest, and today I'm going to be talking about this popular treatment, hydrofacial. Hydrofacial is a medical facial which is completely painless, completely non-invasive, and helps in rejuvenation and exfoliation of the skin. It is almost an 8 to 10 step procedure which has different steps, and each step has its own importance. Why should you think about getting it done? Well, if you are someone who wants to start working on your skin, who wants to see a refreshed and rejuvenated skin but don't want to go in for any kind of invasive or any kind of injectable procedures, then this is where you need to start. Hydrofacial एक ऐसा treatment है जो कि डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट क्लिनिक पे यूजली किया जाता है. ये ऑलमोस्ट 45 मिनट्स टू 1 आवर का प्रोसीजर होता है जिसमें कि अलग अलग स्टेप्स होते हैं. स्टेप्स विच इंक्लूड डीप क्लेंजिंग, which include exfoliation, infusion of antioxidant serums, infusion of hydrating serums, and usually followed by some kind of sheet masks and some kind of LED lights. So who is an ideal candidate for hydrofacial? Well, anyone and everyone is an ideal candidate. So for my patients, I usually tell them once they are above 30 or 35, regular hydrofacial is something which they should definitely invest their time and money in. Why? Because with age, our skin's own capacity to exfoliate and to regenerate keeps slowing down, and hydrofacial is something which beautifully stimulates all of that. I compare it with a workout. So as we grow older, we understand the importance of a physical workout for our body. Similarly, a hydrofacial is a workout for our skin. It may not show you immediate results or immediate returns, but once you do regular workouts or once you do regular hydrofacials, your skin will become healthier, it will be more hydrated, and in turn that leads to a glow also. So hydrofacial के हर एक स्टेप की अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस है. डीप क्लेंजिंग जब हम करते हैं, it removes all the impurities, all the collected dust and the dirt from the skin. Exfoliation again helps in removing the dead skin cells, and that process actually stimulates new cells to form from inside. Then infusion of antioxidant serums by ultrasound and by the other technologies, that helps in protecting our skin from the damage which is caused by pollution, which is caused by the daily stress from the UV rays. Hydrating serums are important because our skin's hydration tends to get lesser with age, so that helps in improving the hydration of the skin. And lastly, the LED light. All of these different colors in the LED light have their own importance. For example, blue light helps in acne, red light helps in rejuvenation, green light helps in brightening the skin. So all of these different steps which are there in hydrofacial have their own roles, and in the end it makes our skin much healthier and much more hydrated. Now, what are the advantages of hydrofacial? There are many advantages of hydrofacial, but the most important one is that it's quick, it is painless, and it is completely non-invasive. It is suitable for all skin types, whether it is a dry, it is a combination, or it is a sensitive skin. Hydrofacial is something which suits most of these skin types. Another advantage of hydrofacial is that it can be combined with other dermatological treatments such as lasers, peels, microneedling to give an added advantage. So in the end, to summarize, hydrofacial is a great non-invasive treatment to get you started on your skincare journey. You can combine it with other treatments as recommended by a dermatologist. Regular hydrofacials will definitely help in improving the overall skin quality, skin health, and skin hydration. So if you have any more queries related to hydrofacial, do drop in your queries in the comment section below. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video.